My name is Karl Friðriksson. I'm coming from Iceland. I'm a CEO of the Icelandic Center for Future Studies. And I've been here for 14 days and been having a treatment with my wife, which is.
My name is Hafdís Rúnarsdóttir, and of course I'm also from Iceland, and I'm a midwife.
Well, I did not know what I was going to go through here. So this was quite of interest to see what you are doing here. Hafdís has been studying this a little bit for some time.
Yes, and I wish I had studied a little bit more to get me better prepared, and because I think so many of the treatment, or most of them, are really fantastic, and especially the people are so nice.